In this lesson, I will explain to you Pareto chart, and I will also explain to you what is the difference between Pareto chart and the bar chart. A Pareto chart is a bar graph. It is also a kind of a bar graph. The lengths, heights of the bars represent frequency or cost, time or money. I have told you in the last lecture that we can make the bar chart in the form of vertical. If it is vertical, it is called the height. So this is the height, right, which represent the frequency or cost, time or money of the data. If we are making horizontally, then this is called the length, and the length represents the frequency or cost, time or money. So it says the length, height of the bars represent frequency or cost or time or money and are organized with longest bars on the left side and shortest to the right side. What does it mean? When I will show you the graph, I will show you that the longest bar should come on the left hand side while the shortest bar should come on the right hand side of the graph. In this way, the chart visually portrays which situations are more significant, right? So this is the data. These are the countries, and suppose these are the number of trains the countries have. And I have made this data. This is just the supposition. Suppose USA has 95 trains, Canada have 76 trains, UK 84 trains, and so on, right? When we were making the bar chart, what we were doing, we were just selecting all this data, whatever the order of this data was, right? And we were making the graph. But in the case of Pareto chart, you have to arrange data from largest to smallest, and I have mentioned here, arrange data from largest to smallest according to the frequency. So China has 152 trains, so it is on the top, then India 121, then France 100, and so on. You have to arrange this data in the descending order according to the frequencies, not from the according to the countries. You cannot write down alphabetically, right? You have to order your data according to the frequency from largest to the smallest. So this is the difference between the Pareto chart and the bar chart. In bar chart, there is no need to arrange the data, while in the case of Pareto chart, yes, it is necessary to arrange the data from largest to smallest according to the frequencies. So here I have already arranged this data. So now I am going to make the Pareto chart. So the first thing is you have to select the data. See, I told you this many times that without selection, you cannot perform any function. So you have to select your data, then go to the insert, because we have the illustration, sorry, chart groups or graph in we will find out from the insert. So this is the insert and this is the chart group, and you can find out the Pareto chart from here. If it is difficult for you to find out, so just click on the recommended charts or recommended graph, then click on the all charts, so you will find out all kind of available graphs or charts here, right? So we are going to click on column, and then we will say these are the different graphs. So click here and then OK. So see, your graph is here. So with this four headed arrow, you can adjust, you can move your graph wherever you want. Suppose I have brought it here, and these are the 8 small circle. These are called the resizing handle. With the help of these circles, you can increase or decrease the size of your graph, right? If your graph is not selected, you cannot see the design tab and the format tab here. So do not say that in my computer I do not have the design or format. Yes, you have, but you have to select your chart or graph first. How come? See, when I will click here, you will see again these resizing handling button here, and then chart, tools, design and format tabs are here. So click on the design tab, open this arrow, whatever design you want you can give to your chart. So here suppose I want, just try these, so you will find out. But normally you can see the Pareto chart like this. So in this case, here is the chart title. See, when I will click on the chart title, it is again selected, so you can write down the name whatever you want. Suppose you want to write down the Pareto chart here, or countries versus train, or whatever is the name of your chart, you can write down here. Similarly, see, this is the legend. Orange represents China, gray represents India, yellow France, and so on. If you want, you can move your legend. This is called the legend, wherever you want. Suppose if you want to bring here, you want to bring here, wherever you want, you can take your legend. And these are the trains, and this is the frequency. So here I will explain to you the meaning of this line. These are organized with the longest bars on the left. See, this is the longest bar and it is on the left side, and the shortest to the right, and this is the shortest, right? And you can see your data 152, 121, 100, and so on. So you can see that this one is a 152, 121, 100, and so on. So this is all about the Pareto chart. In Pareto chart, you have to arrange your data first from largest to smallest according to the frequency, right? If still you have any question regarding Pareto chart, please write down in the comment section. But do not forget to subscribe to my channel, Saima Academy. Thanks for watching.